Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your codes on your Subway Surfer game on your Android device. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to redeem your codes on your Subway Surfer games, you'll be required to open your preferred browser on your Android device, not the Subway Surfer game itself. And let's open the internet browser since it's convenient for me. And after you have opened your preferred browser, you'll be required to type in the subway surfers dot com slash backslash redeem like this. You can see the web address on the search bar of the my browser. Type in the web address, this one, subwaysurfers.com slash redeem on the mobile browser of your Android device like this, and tap on go, and you'll be directed to this page where let's accept the cookies. And on here you'll be required to enter your promo codes over here and then tap on claim reward. Then the Subway Surfer game authenticated to your Android device will receive the net worth of that code on your Subway Surfer games with the amount of 500,000 coins which you had purchased. And there, guys, this is how you redeem your codes in your Subway Surfer game. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.